Today we will be showing you our brand new DNA commercial blender. It comes in a box like this. The blender looks like this. What makes it very unique is that it has a very strong 4 horsepower, 2200 watt commercial grade motor for restaurants, for smoothie bars, for guest houses. This blender will be your workhorse. It also has a sound enclosure so that a lot of the noise gets eliminated when you're dealing with customers. Let's have a look at the blender. Open the sound enclosure. You receive a 1.5 Liter Bpa Free Jug with stainless steel blades. It has 6 blades on the blade section, and you can see all the components made from stainless steel. The lid has a cap which can be removed, and the cap has got air vents so that hot steam can escape if required. So in order to get the blender to work, place the jug inside the blender, close the sound enclosure, press the power button, and here you'll see your display. It's a digital display which allows you either to program 5 different functions depending on your recipe requirements, or it has also got a manual control where you can determine speed and time. So let's get the blender going. We put it on level 1. Let's increase the speed to 8. So you can hear an incredible amount of power coming through there. The sound enclosure does help to contain a lot of that noise. And at the bottom, your programming functions, P1 up to P5. Then we've programmed P1 already. If you want to overwrite a program, just keep your finger on the program button, and now you can determine what speed you want your program to run at, what time you want your program to run at, and there are 5 different stages on every program. So you can determine how that speed and the time changes over those 5 different stages. So there we go, DNA commercial blender, a pretty good weight, about 8.5 kilograms, comes with everything you need. And let's not forget, you'll receive your tamper if you do actually need to use the tamper to work some of your recipes. Obviously that's included with the blender, and your instruction manual. Okay, this is going to explain how to do the programming, how to change time and speed, and how to look after your blender so it lasts as long as you want it to last. So, last few little facts on the blender: 3-year warranty on the motor, 1 year on all the additional parts. It's got, like I said, the 4 horsepower motor, which is super strong, 2200 watts of power, and a 30,000 RPM speed. So that was our DNA commercial blender. Nice to see you again. Until next time, DNA, a younger you. Bye bye.